Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you a Node.js library which is called as hummus recipe. If you search this library, with the help of this library you can create PDF documents inside your Node.js application. You can render text and images both. This is a popular library, you can see that npm I hummus.recipe. So basically it's a library built upon which is a software which is called as hummus.js. So basically this is the software it is made up of. So it is built on top of that. So hummus recipe. So basically I have given the link in the description, my blog post. Here I have given a step-by-step instruction on how to go about this library on using it. So this is a code here, you can see that I have also explained it also. So this is the step-by-step instruction. You can go to the video description and go to this blog. And now to get started, if you go to this repository here, you will find easy to follow instructions. First of all, you need to instantiate a new Node.js project, and you need to install this command, which is simply npm I npm install hummus dash recipe. So just execute this command. I have already executed it. So basically it will install this library inside your application. Now let me just show to you how to go about this library. So first of all guys, here inside your project you need to first of all import this library. So if you go to the documentation of this library, let me just drag down, you will see this is a simple example on how to create a page inside this. So let me just take a very simple example. Mm, Let me go to my blog and let me copy paste the code here. So basically let me copy this code and paste it inside this example. So you can see that there are various methods. So first of all, we are instantiating the library, we are requiring it, and then we are instantiating a new PDF document, instantiating a new constructor of hummus recipe. And here you can give a new PDF name here. You can see we are using date.now to give every time a unique name. So you will see it will create the page. So it will create the PDF page. So here you can pass this letter size, and then it will render out this text, welcome to hummus recipe. So it will be placing this text in the center position. This is the x coordinate 250, and this is the text color. You can change the text color accordingly, font size, bold, font, align it, opacity, all these things you can configure. Then we come to the image part. This is my image here. Let me just show you. Here I am configuring this image here. This is my image. So if we can add the image to a PDF document with the help of this method dot image. So here we will provide the source path of the image. Then comes the x and the y coordinate 170, 300. Then the width of the image, which is 300. And then we actually need to end the page. So basically this will end the first page of the document, PDF document. So this is the first page of the document. So we invoke this end page method to get the end of the first page. Now we create the second page, which is again create page, and inside this we have a circle. That's it. And now if I run this application, save this document, you will see it will create this document right here. Now let me just run this command, which is npm run dev. So it will start the Node.js server. So on the left hand side you will see it will create a PDF document. You will see now it has created this PDF document. If I open this PDF document, you will see it has the text welcome to hummus recipe, and this is the image which is placed in the center position. Now we can edit this text very easily. Let's suppose I want to change the text to, let's suppose this is a PDF document, hello world, and now we need to change the image. We can also change the image also. Let me just run this once again. If I run this once again, so you will see that it will once again run this and it will generate the PDF document. If I open this, you will see uh, let me just see guys why let me just see. We have changed the, oh sorry, we need to save this. So let me just turn on the auto save, because the file was not saved, so that is why it was creating the problem. So Now if I open this, you can see that this is the heading, this is a PDF document, hello world, and this is your image. So you can even change the image also accordingly, whatever image that you want. So this was the easiest library that I encountered on GitHub. The name of the library is pretty simple, which is hummus.recipe. Again, you can go to my blog for source code purpose, which is given in the video description. Go to the blog and try out this library. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to encrypt the PDF document using this library with a password, simple password. So thanks very much for watching this video.